Riddle party. Farm animals.
Hello, little farmers. Let's guess who lives on the farm. Listen to the clues and shout the name. Ready?
Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
I go moo, moo. I give you yummy milk to drink. I have 2 horns. I chew all the day. Who am I? A cow. Moo.
Thank you for the milk, cow.
I go neigh, neigh. I sleep in a place called a stable. I have a long tail and strong legs too. Who am I?
A horse. Neigh. Look at me. I am riding the horse. I go Baba. My wool is warm and soft. I like to eat green grass. Who am I? A sheep. Ba. Soft and fluffy sheep. I say oink, oink. I am pink and round with a curly tail. I love to roll in the muddy puddles. Who am I? A pig. Oink, oink. Yay! Jumping pig. I go meh, meh. I have little horns and I love to jump high. I live in a shed and I munch on grass. Who am I? A goat. Meh. Look at that goat munching on the grass. I go quack quack. I lay eggs near the pond so wide. I flap my wings and splash with pride. Who am I? A duck. Quack quack. Oh, that's a cute little duck.
I go cluck cluck. I lay eggs in the straw. I peck peck on the ground with my beak. Who am I?
A hen. Cluck cluck. Thank you for the eggs, hen.
You did it, little farmers. You guessed them all right. Hooray! Let's wave to the animals and shout, Yay!
TinyBluePingu. TinyBluePingu. Hey little pingus. Hope you like the story. Subscribe and like the channel for more such stories. Have fun!